If you want to block a phone number or a contact on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna open the phone app. Now first we're gonna start with contacts. So you can go to contacts in the bottom right corner, select the contact that you wish to block, and then over here we can scroll down in order to find block numbers option, and then confirm by pressing this block text. And there we go, the contact has been blocked. If someone tried to call you, if you were on a call with someone and you want to block the phone number, then in recents you should be able to find the phone number. So then you can press and hold your finger on the call, and over here you might be able to find the block number option. In my case it is not visible because this is actually voicemail, so I cannot really block it. But this is essentially how we can also block a phone number. However, if you have a phone number but it is not saved in your contacts, nor did you try to call them, or they didn't call you, in that case we can tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and go to settings, choose blocked numbers. Over here we need to press add a number and then tap on this phone number field in order to write the phone number that you wish to block. Press block over here, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.